Welcome back to Sharon's
Hi guys, today we are going to do some cooking.
from Nordstrom's.
Our kitchen to your table. It is gonna be from page
161.
161.
We're gonna do the Cajun cedar plank salmon. But we don't have a cedar plank, but we'll still do the Cajun salmon, basically.
So here is Charlene trying to figure out how to turn on my oven because I haven't used it.
Hello. Okay.
Charlene figured out that there's a light.
Okay.
I didn't even know there's light in my oven.
Okay, so we figured out how to use this oven. Okay, so
Oh my goodness.
bake. Then, okay. So it says 500, so we're going to put it to 500.
Oh no, I'm so scared. I haven't used my oven. There you go.
Then,
Preheat? Is that what do you?
okay, so it's, okay, now it's on. Okay,
Yeah.
it says oven preheat. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we're going to wash the salmon. Here's a big salmon.
I like that it's so orange.
This is the wild sockeye salmon from Costco. Okay. Okay.
And then
We're gonna
put it
in
on.
the pan.
There you go.
Okay.
Let me see. Here you go.
And so yeah, we're gonna do 2 salmons. Both are from Costco.
It's what you call it again? Wild socket salmon fillet. Sockeye, socket. What sockeye?
Sockeye.
Not socket. Okay, sockeye. Ooh, it's cold. Man, it's really cold. Yay, look at that. Looks so cool. And put it on the pan. So we'll go this way. Yes. Ooh, look at that. Looking great. So these are what I have. Ground paprika, black pepper, salt, and I also have from Amazon this Italian extra virgin olive oil. Actually, it's a gift for me. Christmas season. And we're also using garlic.
Okay, so we're gonna cut this onion. I'm gonna take off this peel. You know what I like to do with onions? I cut it in half. And since it doesn't call for a whole lot of onions, I'm just going to do 1/4 of the onion, okay? It says 1 teaspoon, but we're going to do more than 1 teaspoon, maybe. And here, so we're going to finely chop it. And look at that, it has a nice color.
You okay?
No, I'm sad. Because I'm overly dramatic when I cut onions, okay? Okay, so we're not gonna chop it up too much. We're gonna just...
Oh, can you hear that?
that means it's done preheating.
I'm so scared.
And I'm crying, so... There, I'm gonna put the onion in the bowl. And I'm trying to stop crying from cutting the onions. Okay, and there it is. Purple onion.
So guys, now it's my turn to do the garlic. And I saw this in Facebook. Use a fork. to separate the cloves like this. Wait. And then you can do this. It's a lot.
Okay.
Take 2. It says use the fork and cover it so it won't fly. There you go. I think it worked. But look at, see? Look at that. Really cool. It works. And look how easy it is to peel now. Watch. Look at that. See? Whoa.
Wow.
It works, guys. It does work.
So she's now chopping the
Chop, 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 chop.
garlic, right, Rhoda?
Yes, I'm chopping. Look at how, look how cool.
Uh-huh.
Because it's already smooshed. It's already crushed. So now it's easy to chop it. See?
Uh-huh.
High tech. Let's put it. And now let's mix it here. Long way. There you go. Okay, should I mix it? Not yet. I'll mix it.
Mix it a little bit.
There you go. There you go. Ready? Okay, let's start with paprika. And yeah, put as much as you want according to your taste. Ooh, look at that. That's a word. Then we add oregano leaves. Ooh, it feels like playing. I add parsley flakes. And organic basil. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. And I feel like crying because of the onion. And then the thyme leaves. I love the smell. Let's see. Hold on. Let's fix it. Ooh, watch. And then, of course, guys, we have to put olive oil. Amen?
Amen.
Let's put some olive oil. Ooh, watch, watch. Look how pretty it looks. Oh, wow. Ay, wrong. And then, guys, be careful. This is cayenne pepper. Ooh, smells hot, spicy hot. I'm just gonna put a little bit because you know I don't like spicy. And I'm gonna put black pepper. This I can take. And of course, sea salt. Sea salt. And adjust it to your taste. I'm gonna adjust. I'm going to adjust. Make it look greener. I want it to look greener. Thyme. And then parsley. And then oregano leaves. Mix it. And I'm gonna taste it. Ooh, look at that. Look at guys how pretty that is. So colorful. Tasting time. Smells good. Salty. Taste the olive oil. Yes. So guys, now Charlene's gonna do the taste testing.
Before we put it on the fish, we're gonna try it.
I hope she likes my mixing.
I could really taste the paprika and the parsley and thyme. It's good.
Good? Ready? Ready? Let's do it.
And the
Yeah.
and the cayenne pepper's perfect amount.
Okay. So let me start with this first one. Watch this, guys. So the skin side is down on the tray. And up here, the meat is where we're gonna put the oil, our mixture. There you go. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Ooh, pretty cool. Look at that, guys. Look how pretty. Here you go.
I'm gonna put this on the other salmon.
Work of art.
Yes, it is. And then right there.
Looking so
And
great.
then of course, since we still have some more in the bowl,
Put it all.
do is
Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Looking so great.
okay. How it looks. And here's how Rhoda looks. I'll put it to 400. That's what it says. There.
You ready, Charlene? Are you excited? You're matching the color of my, what you call it, wall.
Here I am. I'm about to place it in the oven.
Oh, it's so exciting. First time use of my oven, guys. For how many years I've been living here. Yeah.
And we are gonna bake for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, guys. Listen. It's popping, 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 popping. And it ended.
Okay, so turn it off. Shake.
Hey, show them my pot holder and my mittens. Look how pretty. Matching. Haven't been used, guys. First time. Ooh, let's do a close-up. Look. Look how pretty. Oh, wow. And Charlene's gonna take it out of the oven. Careful, careful, careful. Whoa. Look at that. It's what you call success. Look how we cooked. We baked salmon.
Okay, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed watching this cooking video. And stay tuned for part 2 when we eat the salmon. Please
Hit like and subscribe.